Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the buds are ready to wear. Power on or open the case so the Bose QC earbuds wake and enter pairing mode. This ensures immediate feedback. Match left to left and right to right. Orientation matters because each driver is tuned for its ear. Choose ear tips that feel snug. The right size creates a seal for noise canceling. Clean ears and tips quickly to improve contact and comfort before insertion. You angle the nozzle slightly up, toward the rear of your ear canal, and insert the earbud gently until you feel light resistance. Once in, rotate the stem back and down. This seats the wing and driver into the concha and locks the bud in place. Make sure you get a tactile click or snug feel. That seal is why active noise canceling works and why bass tightens. If it feels loose, try a different tip size and repeat the rotate and seat motion. You finish by playing familiar audio at low volume to verify fit. Strong bass and clear vocals indicate a good seal. If sound is thin or outside noise leaks, stop and try a different tip size or reseat by twisting and reinserting. Small changes matter. For persistent issues, one bud quiet or no noise canceling, reset the earbuds, repair with your device, and clean the mesh gently. This final check ensures comfort, security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.